want to get a quick tutorial in about the action log and the labor updates. What the action log is going to enable us to do is see every change that was made in Rivet and who made it. Since this is our in-house demo account, we're all going to be listed here as Rosie. In your organization, you're able to sort this by staff member. The search function in the action log is pretty dynamic. You're able to search for the move that was made. If you're looking to find all the information on transfers within your organization, there you go. Or we could do the same thing with terminations. Let's see who was terminated on what day. We're also able to sort which area of the organization was affected by the action. If we're looking at workers, we can see who was flagged for transfer, which workers were edited, and which workers were added. If we wanted to dispatch this information, we can click on this airplane here, and that'll pull up our message. Choose a group or an individual. Send that as either a text or an email. Let's take a look at the labor updates. Much like the action log, labor updates is going to give you some visibility on what changes were made at what time. We can view this by upcoming dates in the future or dates in the past. If we need to dispatch any of these notifications, notify our project team, field leaders, or send it to the worker themselves. This little circle here will notify you when a dispatch notice has been sent. If the blue dot is highlighted, that means this notification has already been dispatched. These should help in terms of your internal bandwidth, not having to memorize when these moves were made, on what day, and by whom. I hope that clears some things up for you. And as always, let us know if you have any questions.